Bitcoin bull market has officially begun. After months of sideways movement and consolidation, Bitcoin is breaking out, and all signs point to a massive run ahead. But what's driving this surge? Is it just hype, or are we seeing something much deeper at play? Hey guys, I am Crypto Billy, and today we're going to dive into why experts believe the Bitcoin bull market is just getting started, and how you can take advantage of this moment. Whether you're already holding or just thinking about jumping in, you won't want to miss this. Smash that subscribe button for more crypto insights, and let's get into it. Before we dive deep into why Bitcoin's bullish season is kicking off, let's take a quick look at the market. Right now, the total crypto market cap stands at $2.05 trillion. Bitcoin is hovering around $67,575, and Ethereum is trading at $2,600. The Crypto Fear and Greed Index is currently sitting at 26, which signals fear in the market. But don't let that scare you. Remember, when others are fearful, that's when smart investors take action. Institutions like BlackRock are capitalizing on this fear by making strategic moves, and so should you. As the trading volume increases, we're seeing a mix of uncertainty and opportunity, post-election market clarity, and Bitcoin's surge. Bitcoin is benefiting from increased market clarity following the recent U.S. elections. As political uncertainty fades, investors are feeling more confident about making moves in the market. This is a major reason why Bitcoin is surging now. As Sam Levinson wisely said, don't watch the clock. Do what it does. Keep going. The markets are doing exactly that, pushing forward with renewed energy. Political clarity often leads to financial market stability, and Bitcoin has historically thrived in these conditions. Investors who were sitting on the sidelines due to election uncertainty are now diving back in, and Bitcoin is one of the biggest beneficiaries. This post-election optimism, combined with growing interest from both institutional and retail investors, is creating the perfect environment for Bitcoin to thrive. Historically, Bitcoin has surged after major political events, and this year is no different. The clarity and renewed confidence in the market are giving investors the green light to take on more risk, and Bitcoin's price is responding accordingly. The lesson here is simple. When political uncertainty clears up, Bitcoin tends to shine. And with the current momentum, it looks like we're just at the beginning of what could be an epic bull run. Institutional accumulation continues. One of the key drivers of this bull market is the continued accumulation of Bitcoin by major institutions. Companies like BlackRock, Tesla, and MicroStrategy are increasing their Bitcoin holding, viewing it as a hedge against inflation and a long-term store of value. As Dolly Parton said, if you want the rainbow, you got to put up with the rain. Institutional investors understand that volatility is part of the game, but they see Bitcoin's potential far outweighing its risks. They're in it for the long term, betting that Bitcoin will continue to appreciate as more investors realize its value. Bitcoin's scarcity and growing demand. Bitcoin's fixed supply of 21 million coins is one of its most attractive features, especially in a world where governments are printing trillions of dollars in fiat currency. As the Dalai Lama said, happiness is not something ready-made. It comes from your own actions. Bitcoin's value comes from the collective belief of those who understand its potential. Unlike fiat money, which can be printed endlessly, Bitcoin's scarcity ensures that its value will rise as demand grows. This scarcity is driving up prices as more investors, both retail and institutional, recognize Bitcoin as a hedge against inflation and economic instability. As demand increases and supply remains fixed, Bitcoin becomes more valuable. This is basic economics. When there's high demand for a limited resource, its price naturally goes up. And right now, demand for Bitcoin is at an all-time high. People want to protect their wealth from the devaluation of traditional currencies, and Bitcoin is becoming the go-to asset for that. The key takeaway here, Bitcoin's scarcity is one of its greatest strengths, and as more people realize that, the price will continue to rise. This bull market is just getting started, and those who hold Bitcoin are in for a wild ride. Price targets. Where could Bitcoin go from here? With the momentum we're seeing right now, many analysts believe that Bitcoin could easily hit $100,000 in the near future. As Abraham Lincoln once said, the best way to predict your future is to create it. Investors in Bitcoin are doing just that by holding on to a scarce asset that has enormous potential for growth. The combination of institutional demand, retail interest, and Bitcoin's built-in scarcity is creating a perfect storm for price appreciation. We've already seen Bitcoin break key resistance levels, and there's nothing to suggest that this momentum will slow down anytime soon. Many market experts, including Michael Saylor and Tom Lee, are predicting that Bitcoin's fundamentals are stronger than ever. With inflation fears on the rise and traditional currencies losing value, Bitcoin is becoming the go-to hedge for investors looking to protect their wealth. The $100,000 price target, it's a realistic possibility in the coming months. As demand continues to outpace supply, Bitcoin's price is set to keep climbing. The lesson here, stay invested, be patient, and watch Bitcoin make history as it heads toward new all-time highs. The Bitcoin bull market has just begun, and the next few months could be game-changing. If you're excited to see where Bitcoin is headed, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more updates. Stay informed and be ready for the next big move. Thanks for watching.